Hey y'all, I'm Christy and I'm here to introduce the new 5x15 multi-purpose slotted ruler from Martelli. It's a great little tool that has the no slip on the back. It's a little bit thicker than our traditional templates that we use so that it's sturdy, doesn't go anywhere. It has these great little slots in it that you can see through. They're not for cutting. I suppose if you really wanted to try, you could cut with it. That's not its purpose. The purpose is to be able to see your seam through this like we did with our old acrylic rulers that slid all over the place. So take a look. If you line up these little hash marks, we're gonna go right over here so I can square up this block just a little bit. I can line up the hash marks on my seam. Of course, it doesn't go all the way across, but that's okay because it's not going to go anywhere once I line it up. But I can see exactly where my seam is going. Now I can turn it. You can see I have that little bit of extra right there on the side. See, I can move it all over the place. It's not going anywhere. I'm going to take my 60 millimeter rotary cutter and go right down the side with it. Looky there. Perfect every time. Now let's go ahead and straighten up that other side so you can see that one more time. I'm gonna lay it this way because it's easier for me to line it up. I'm gonna line it up right here. And again, I can see exactly where my seam line is, so I know it's straight. I'm gonna turn it. Because this is the thicker material, the 60 millimeter is actually better, but it will work with the 45. You just have to hold your 45 at a little bit of an angle. Just be real careful so you're not bending that blade. Pulls it all, oh, didn't quite get it. There we go, all done. Perfect lines every time. Thanks for watching.